In the following tutorial, we will show you how to replace the display of the Galaxy A50. Find your spare parts and tools in the description. With a hairdryer or heat gun, maximum 60 degrees Celsius, carefully warm up the back cover. Position the suction cup and use a flat tool to move along the edges of the back cover. As you can see, the back cover is very flexible. Now remove 13 Phillips screws. Then remove the SIM tray. With a pleck, carefully move along the middle frame. Remove the battery flex connection first. Then loosen 4 more flex connections. Now carefully warm up the battery and take it out. Remove the adhesive residues. Then carefully loosen 2 antenna cables. Finally, remove the marked screw and remove the motherboard. Now, unscrew the 2 antenna cables from the other side. Heat up and remove the vibration motor and earpiece. Now loosen the 2 marked screws and disconnect the fingerprint flex connection. Next, remove the daughter board. Now you can install the new display. Usually, you have to remove all protective foils first. In our video, we use the old display. Screw in and connect the fingerprint sensor flex connection. Position the vibration motor. Now the earpiece. Then insert the main board and screw it tight. connect the antenna cables. Finally, position the suitable adhesive foil or double-sided adhesive tape. Insert the battery and press the flex connections tight. Make sure to connect the battery flex connection last. Position the mid-frame and press it down. Screw the 13 Phillips screws in again. For the back cover, use either liquid glue or the appropriate adhesive foil. Thank you for your trust. It was fun repairing together. If you liked our video, subscribe to our channel.